CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitor. Come test drive the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.